Hello everyone, I am Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV coming at you with the Profile Pro Clutch Perch Assembly and Brake Lever from ProTaper. Alright, so today we're taking a closer look at the Profile Pro Clutch Perch Assembly and also the brake lever coming from ProTaper. So here at Rocky Mountain, we have a big selection of aftermarket levers you can choose from, and these ProTapers have some really cool features. They're going to be a little bit more pricey, but in my opinion, I think it's money well spent, and I'll explain why here in just a minute. But before we dive into the features, let's talk about the construction. So they use 6061 T6 forged aluminum, so very high quality aluminum, so it makes them very strong and also very lightweight. You're going to have sealed bearings, so that's going to make sure that no gunk or grime is going to get in there. But the big features here, it's going to be how much adjustability you have, and then we'll talk about their XPS, which is their cross pivot system. So first, adjustability. A lot of riders like to adjust the reach of their levers, so they're going to give you up to 50 millimeters of adjustment reach with these. And you have two ways you can do it. The first is on the back here, you have your star dial. You're going to have this set screw, just going to use an Allen to adjust it. So that's pretty common. We see that with most other levers. That will adjust the reach in and out. But you also have this gold dial here on the back of the lever. So this will also adjust the reach of the lever in and out. The difference though is that adjusting the gold dial is not going to change the tension on your clutch cable. Just remember though that if you are going to adjust the gold dial, that you are going to need to loosen this bolt that you have right here in the center before you actually adjust that, and then you're going to tighten it back down. To do that, just make sure that this isn't going to adjust or move while you're actually out riding. So lots of adjustability with the reach. You're also going to have this big star dial. I'm a big fan of it. That's going to adjust the slack in your clutch cable. So if you have too much or too little, you can simply just turn this to adjust it. I like that it's nice and big. It's easy to grab, and I like it has a very distinct click when you do make an adjustment. You can just hear it as you go through. So I'm a big fan of that. But the big feature that I want to highlight here is going to be with their XPS. And what that stands for is cross pivot system. So these are full breakaway levers. And what that means is that in the event of a crash or tip over, they're designed to break away so you prevent bending or breaking them. So your first breakaway is both levers will go straight out. Okay, that's pretty common. We see that with a lot of levers. But what's unique to ProTaper is what they actually have it do is it will bend up as well and will also bend down. So that's our cross pivot system. So they're just giving you as much breakaway as possible so you don't have to worry about bending or breaking your lever. So in a race situation or if you're going for a long ride, the last thing you want to worry about is having a crash and having these break. So having that just gives you that peace of mind. And again, that's an investment you're making because you are going to pay a premium price, but I think you get what you pay for. And also with ProTaper, a really cool feature that I love that these guys do is lifetime warranty. So even with all the breakaway design and that cross pivot system, if you were to bend or break either one of these levers, you can send it back to them and they will replace it for you. So you got a brand new lever if that were the case. And there you go. That is the Profile Pro Clutch Perch Assembly and also brake lever coming from ProTaper. Also remember that for some of your older 4-strokes that are carbureted, they do have this with the hot start available as well. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below, give us a call or chat live online. We'll get your questions answered. And to pick yours up, you can click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Remember, orders over $75 ship free. If you guys like this video and you'd like to see more like it, well, click and subscribe. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain, and we'll see you on the trails.